We're moving on to our next speaker. Our next speaker is someone who wears many hats and codes in even more languages. Please welcome Jess Dale de la Cruz, lead software developer at Nearsol, full stack engineer, Power BI Pro, and a relentless tech educator who has trained thousands of IT professionals across the globe, whether it's .NET, Python, Power Apps, SharePoint, Azure, or front-end wizardry with React. Just turns complexity into clarity. And then, sorry, and then into online video tutorials for the world to learn from. He's also an IT author with Pact, an AWS expert, and the kind of trainer who brings real-world business data into the classroom to speak those aha moments. Ladies and gentlemen, to discuss Power BI and its connectors, live from Laguna of a client meeting, engineer, professor, author, iMerge, engineer Prof. Dale de la Cruz.
Uh, Hello, Tony. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon, everyone. You can hear me, right? So I'm very pleased of Tony inviting me here, and I have learned a lot, especially with Dries. Dapat pala hindi mo pa pinutol, Tony, nakikinig. Thank you. I learned a lot. All right, so I'll be doing my presentation simple but sweet. Okay, so I'll be sharing a notepad. So technically, I'll do a speed up. All right. Okay. So for me to start, okay, you can see my screen, Tony.
Yes, we can. We can.
Sabi ko nga, it makes my life simple. Thank you, Microsoft, for having this life. Nakakain ako 3 beses ang araw, and I have my special things dahil sa Microsoft. So giving back to Microsoft, I agree with this one, and of course, Tony's my friend. How can I say no? Okay, so Power BI made my life happy and simple. For those who are a beginner on pursuing data analytics, Power BI, or programming, and also Azure, make it simple. Don't think nerdy. Don't think in a way na sobrang OA, overacting. There's a lot of professionals na so OA mag-isip, pero I just want to grasp, to see how simple they think. All right, so that's how I do as a CEO, as a IT director, how I hire people. All right, so you don't need to be the best. You just need to learn a simple technology on every part of Microsoft. Let's say Azure, SQL Server, SSIS, or the ETL itself using Azure Data Factory SSIS. So you can do a screenshot. That's why. Kaya nga, I put it in a way, in a notepad para simple but sweet. So you can just take a screenshot para mas madali. Diba? Kasi nakita ko yung mga PowerPoint ni Ma'am Dries, it's very detailed and it's sweet, right? So ito, simplihan na lang natin. So think simple, move simple, live simple. But how much is the price? How much is your sweldo? It's a 500K, 300K. Which do you prefer, right? So that's how we do it, okay? So that's the magic of knowing Microsoft. Paano, sir? So, noong unang panahon, way back, sasabihin ko ba yung year? Mahihimala tayong edad. So, yun. Wizard Dale is an engineer from Mapua, so 2003. Okay? So, ngayon, giving back to Mapua, ayun, ako ngayon nagtuturo ng data analytics and .NET and Advanced and AWS, Azure, lalo na Azure, tinuturo ko yan. So, there, giving back, sabi ko nga, marunong ako tumanaw ng utang na loob sa mga pinagkakautangan ko, lalo na yung school ko, and then Microsoft. Okay? And also Tony, and then yung people behind Microsoft. Yun, saludo ko dyan. Sir, ba't di ka nag-Microsoft? Alam ni Tony kung bakit. Okay. So career shifter ako, no? So that's why yung topic ko is why Power BI and then connector. Later, bibilisan natin bakit yung connector, okay? So engineering. So I took my programming and Mapua as well kasi engineer ako, malay ko ba sa programming. So I took it in a way na napakahirap. Okay? Wala pang Azure, wala pang Fabric, wala pang Power BI. I only have SSIS, wherein you need to know SQL Server first. You need to do advanced scripting. You need to know, take note of this, 3. Stored procedure, CTE, and then views. Okay? Wala pa dyan yung SSAS, yung analysis services for data warehouse. Okay? So, wala pang Power BI nun, may SSRS na. Okay? So, SSRS, it's like Power BI na on-prem. Pag yung company is walang konti lang budget, then you could pursue SSRS. So, ang hirap ng ganitong setup. So, that's why si Microsoft na pag-isip niya na why not we put it in a way na simplified. They invented Power BI to simplify everything. Wherein, si SSRS, for us to have the data be cleaned, we need SSIS. In Power BI, nandun na lahat. Yung connector and everything. Okay, you can clean your data using Power Query. Okay? Now, for you to master nowadays data analytics, you need to know the 3. The SQL Server, how it works, in scripting, and how the architecture integrate with other technologies. Anong technologies? Yung noong technologies, yung legacy like SSIS, SSAS. So, this SSIS and then SSAS is the technology na nilagay sa cloud, which is the Azure Data Factory and the Databricks. All right? So those are my gold and butter, hindi bread and butter, gold and butter ko ang Microsoft. So, ito yung level na ito ngayon yung nowadays na kailangan yung i-master. Kasi 5 to 10 years, kailangan nyo na po ito i-master. Yung OpenAI plus Copilot Studio. I love the wonders of playing with Copilot Studio. It's like, alam niyo yun, yung doing this task for 1 week, Copilot Studio can do it in 2 to 3 days only. So that saves that saves money in terms of Mondays. When I say Mondays, yung sa company. Kaya siya mahal, $200 siya, right? As of now. Ayun, baka naman I'm open exploring Copilot and then teach it for free if Microsoft will grant me. Microsoft. Okay. So there, lakihan natin I'm not kidding. The moment Microsoft will give me the privilege to learn Copilot deeper, I can share it for free. Anyone can quote me na sisingil ako ng training for Copilot. I'll be giving this one for the rest of my life for free. Anyone, if Microsoft can give that. So Copilot na yung ita-target natin, guys. Sir, medyo mahal eh. Mahal siya as of now. So darating ang panahon, yung competition tataas rin. Siyempre, China, America is doing the AI. And I believe Microsoft has a heart. May puso yan, bababa yung presyo niya. So I believe it. Darating pa. Okay, so this is ito lang masasabi ko. Evan, at the end of the hirap ni Sir Dale, isipin niyo yun, for me to equip myself, to live, to fight every day sa hirap ng buhay rito sa Pilipinas, merong Microsoft na tumutulong habang tumatagal, gumagaan ang buhay ko. So that's why you don't need to be the best. You just need to think simple, move simple, live simple. So yan yung sinasabi ko kay ChatGPT. ChatGPT is my senior developer. And hindi ako nagdalawang isip na i-promote yang tao na yan kasi magaling yan. He's my wingman. He's the one who create all the dashboard. He's the one who opened his eyes for 8 hours habang ako yung nagbi-meeting, and then how I sell my team to other departments. Thank you, Chad. On the spot. So ganyan kagaling si Chad, ha. If you have questions, tanungin niyo siya. So yun.
Andiyan ka pa, Chad?
Nandiyan pa siya?
There, Alex?
Kumakain yan. Oh. Ganyan yan. Right. All right. So that's how quick it is. And then let's say, Sir Dale, may question ako. Let's say you have a connector not present with Power BI. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, learn to integrate something. Na alam niyo yon, Nandyan na yung, let's say you have a crush, nandyan na yung forever mo, tapos tutukain mo na lang, hindi, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, dito sa SQL Server, if you have, let's say, in my end, hindi na ako mag-mention ng company, Jess, I would like you to integrate Power BI with NetSuite, with API or what? Pero stricto yung kanyang strict yung security architecture. So I use link servers. So link server give you the capability to integrate your on-prem to a specific third party. Okay? So yan yon. The moment na okay na yung connections, di ba? So pwede mo na siyang mabuksan dito na parang ganito lang yung view. Ganun lang. Sabi ko, simple lang eh. Let's say connected na yung local mo and then isi-shift mo na sa Power BI, ika-copy mo lang yan, di ba? And then punta ka sa Power BI. O di ba? Hindi yun namamalayan, nag-on the spot na tawag dito. Nagwo-workshop tayo. Ayos ba? So yan no, tapos i-define nyo lang kung anong database yung ilalagay nyo, di ba? So ganun lang kasimple. So optional naman siya. Okay? Ayan. So let's say ito, yung walang katapusan na Sir Dale, may narinig kasi ako, ano po ba yung the best na na dataset na pwedeng pag-practicean? My God, that's a question na 5 years na nasosolve. AdventureWorks. Alright? AdventureWorks, it's an ERP na nirigalo sa atin ng Microsoft na pwede niyong paglaruan. Okay? Yung mga nakikita nyo ngayon is invented by other companies na. So, let's say, Sir Dale, ano pa po yung pwedeng paraan? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, think sweet, but simple. Baliktarin nyo lang yan. Let's say, Hi Pogi, di ba? Create mo ako ng dataset na maganda na parang pang Power BI, di ba? Ganun lang kasi simple. Di ba? Ganun lang. Exactly, right? Kasi, my God, how old are you guys? It's 22, 30. I'm already 45. Alam niyo yung we need quick solutions. We need people, we need engineers to simply or easily adapt the technology. We can't wait for you guys. Let's say I hire you. Let's say I'm giving you 60,000 per month. Oh, wala kang alam sa Power BI? Sir, wala eh. Pero nakita ko, let's say for example lang si Chad, trainable. O sige, bigyan kita ng muna 60,000 kunwari. After a month, pag nag-improve ka, bigyan gawin kitang 80. Ganun na kasimple. Nakita ko si Chad na maganda yung kanyang performance. Hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Na ganun yan, Sir Dale, tumaas po ba yung pwede na po ba ma-increase? O, kailan ba gusto mong i-implement? Gusto mo ngayon? Di ganun lang kasi. Ganun lang. Mga ganun lang, di ba? So, ang kidding aside, it's like, bago mo naman makuha yung yung increase ng isang tao, di ba? So, kailangan mo munang i-define ng maayos, i-compare mo, ipakita mo. Si Chad naman kasi, if you increase someone like Chad and then promote him in a period of 1 year, no? Chad, nandiyan ka ba? Ilang years na ba tayo ilang years mo na akong ilang years na kitang boss? Chad? Kidding aside. So yan. So yan nakikita niyo na. So mangyayari, magiging ganyan lang siya. I-define niyo lang kung in the end is i-define niyo lang kung ano yung tables dito na ipipick niyo. I-define niyo lang. So that's how simple it is and that's how Power BI works. Okay? So with questions na. Okay tayo? By the way, get data, ito, iba't ibang paraan, iba't ibang common data source how you pull your data. Let's say Excel, Notepad, you can do it, JSON especially. Okay, so that's how we do it in Power BI. Thank you, Microsoft, and thank you, everyone. Questions?
Question?
Sige na. I allotted a lot of time for questions. Yun naman gusto nyo, di ba, right? Tapos na tayo sa mga discussion kanina. Almost diniscuss ni Chad at saka Miss Dries lahat.
Questions
May
for
question?
Dale. I think, Dale, earlier we had a question regarding Fabric in chat. If I can
Okay,
scroll
good.
up.
Yung Fabric, ano ba mga questions? Ang
I
laking
think,
tulong ni
was
Fabric,
that you, May, or Melly? I'm just gonna scroll up para
Yes.
balikan natin. Kay May. May,
Oh.
sana nag-unmute ka na lang eh. Pero May started learning Fabric and will be implementing SAP to Fabric. Hindi niya alam, required po ba na laging may destination ang data flows?
Of course. Bakit? Isipin mo, yung file mo, Excel. Pero tong Excel na to, lower version. Yung other, let's say, another data source na naman, Excel. Pero higher version or current version na i-display mo, titimplahin mo siya in one point sa destination. You get my point? So, let's say, naging data architect. So, let's say you have here Excel na 2000, ano ba yung lowest model? 2003, 2011, tapos yung current, di ba? So, column 1 lang yan, column 1, and you have here column 1. So, titimplahin mo yan. Ang tawag dyan, column mapping. Okay? So, kailangan may destination parate. Yung destination mo, nowadays, pwedeng on-prem. When I say on-prem, sa mismong office, may server. Okay? Pwede rin namang Azure. Sa Azure, gumagamit kami mostly ng data storage. Itong data storage, para siyang FTP. Sir, ang FTP parang yung command prompt. Ito, click and drag lang. Data storage. So, saka mo, i-deliver kay database. Okay po? And then, itong database, magpupull yan and magpupush yan ng data sa mismong Power BI. So, that's how we do it. Ayos ba? Yun. Yan yung architecture.
Malinaw. Pero yeah,
alright?
Parang...
Kasi mangyayari pag hindi mo tinimpla, guys, pag hindi nyo tinimpla na maayos yan, may Unicode kasi, ibang Unicode kasi ito eh. Yung iba't ibang version yan. May mga iba nga dyan. Sir, tama naman yung tama naman po kasi yung timpla namin, 2003, tapos dito 2011 na Excel, tapos dito, pansin nyo, same Excel pero iba yung Unicode sa loob. So, kailangan timplahin mo ng maayos sa column mapping. So, saan tinitimpla yan? Sa Azure Data Factory and pwede rin naman po sa SSIS. Kaya may tinatawag tayong ETL process. That's how you clean the data. That's how you transform data. We good?
Correct. New questions coming up. Can I host my database in Power BI?
Can I post my
my database in Power BI? I assume
yes. Pwede naman. Yung ginawa natin kanina, ipipick mo lang yung mga specific tables. That's how you do it. Tapos, let's say, pwede rin naman Excel. Okay? So, sample na natin. Diba? So, let's say, ito, ID, tapos lagay natin ng first name, tapos, last name, nickname, tapos lagyan natin ng Juan, Dale, De La Cruz. Madalas na tinatawag kasi ako sa office, Pogi. Lagay ko na dyan, ha? So, ayan, hindi ko pinapansin yun. Kahit si Chad, pag hindi ako tinawag na Pogi, hindi ko pansinin yan. Lalagay ko dyan. Let's say natin, dakdakan. Ayan, so dakdakan, di ba? So, safe. So kailangan natin i-pull tong data na to from there, di ba? So lagay, it's the Power BI. So get data, Excel, and then specific data, dakdakan, lagay mo dyan. I-close natin kasi ayaw ni Power BI i-pull yan kapag naka-on.
Yes.
Diba?
Isa-isa lang.
Ayan. So yan, pipiliin natin. Pag walang Pogi yan, wag mong tanggapin. Virus yan. Ayan, hindi virus. Pogi, kunin mo na, i-load mo na. Oh, that's how you do it, di ba? Ayan o. Kita mo, di ba? Pag nilagay ko yan dyan, table, lagay ko dyan, ID, tapos my first name, tapos kahit wag na yung last name, lagay mo na lang dyan, importante yung nickname. Okay, tapos may mali pa rito, di ba? Itong sum of data, gawin mo lang na ano, don't summarize para maging ID number lang. You get my point? O hindi pa natuwa. Hindi pa natuwa siya. Lagay na natin dito, new database, create tayo new database. Sir Dale, nag-workshop. Ilang minuto, Sir Tony? DB, para matatandaan nyo ako ha. Ito, lagay natin DB Bogie. Si Sir Dale, nag-on the spot. That's how we do it.
6 minutes.
6 minutes, oh go.
6 minutes.
New ID. ID, lagyan na natin ng ID, tapos integer. Super nickname. Lagay natin dito. Ano ba gusto mo, Sir Tony? Barkar na lang. TBL 1 na lang yan. Ngayon, tatandaan nyo lang rito yung connection string. So, kumari hindi mo tanda, di pumunta ka rito sa database engine, tapos copy-paste mo to. Diba? So, lagay mo dyan. And then, tawagin mo. Huwag mong tawagin yung, huy, pasok ka rito, hindi ganon. Tapunta mo sa SQL Server. Tapos, lagay mo rito, Control-V. Tapos, anong database? Ano sinabi ko? Isigaw nyo nga lahat dyan. DB Pogi. Diba? Lagay nyo dyan. Bakit? The reason why you need to identify dito para mas mabilis yung pooling ng data. Okay, ito, DB Pogi. Ano nakalagay dito? Walang laman. Sir Dale, naglagay ng walang laman. Di naglagay tayo ng laman. Okay. Right click. Edit top 200 na lang tayo ha. 1. Tapos lagay ko rito. Super cute. Ayan, may laman na siya, right? So, tatry natin ha. Ulitin natin kasi hindi niya mapupul yan. Okay? So, SQL Server, ano ulit yon, guys? So, lagay natin dito yung server name and then yung DB Pogi and then click OK and there you are. Selected na to, di ba? Super cute. Ilagay mo dyan. So, mangyayari dyan, mapopost mo na rito yung hinahanap mo. Hindi away ang hinahanap ko, no? Ilagay mo na agad dito yung super name. Lagay mo dyan. Ayan. May fixed data pa, paano mo ilalagay yan? Babalik naman tayo sa relationship. Kumbaga, kailangan mong ipaligaw yung data mo sa Excel papunta sa SQL Server, punta ka rito. So, SQL Server, papakausap ko sa itong ID number, i-connect ko rito. Sige, pakausap mo na. Yan ba yun? Opo. Save mo dyan. Pagbukas mo dyan, andyan na yung data, super cute. Pogi na, super cute. That's how you do it. We good?
Use. May mga follow-up pa eh. Teka.
Ako po, dumami. Dapat pala, hindi na tayo nag-workshop.
Tanong ka eh. Can I malalim na to. Alam mo to. Can I integrate Google API with Power BI, especially use of Google Maps?
Papasok ka lang yun nga. There are two ways. Pagpasok rito, pwede ka rito sabay. Sandali lang ha. Wait lang. Mamaya, bigyan mo ako ng 15 minutes. Yung mga tao ko gusto pumasok sa office eh. Ayan, new link servers. Ito, pasok ka dyan and then i-identify mo rito yung mga credentials na ibibigay sa'yo ng tao mo. Kumari, API ng NetSuite, API ng Salesforce, API ng Amazon Connect. Tama ba? Chad, yung mga inano natin. No? So yun. Ilalagay nyo lang dito, tapos i-define nyo kung ano man dito. Or meron naman po dito, you can do it through more actions and then specify nyo lang. Let's say, through Python. To Python scripting. Ayan po. Okay, so you can connect your data through Python, then do your scripting here. So how will you activate it? Ayan. File, tapos lagay mo rito sa open settings. Hanapin nyo lang rito. I-activate nyo lang dito sa options. Yung Python scripting. Ayan po. Para ma-identify nyo lang. Okay po?
Okay guys, okay?
On the spot tutorial. I love teaching people.
DF na lang. Correct. Pag Python. All right. Any other questions? Sa live tayo, sa face-to-face. Any questions for Sir Dale?
O, pag may questions, i-message nyo lang ako rito. Tapos yan, tanong kayo kung meron.
Oh,
Engineer
correct.
Jess Dale.
Ano ba ang best? Okay, sa FB. Engineer Jess Dale de la Cruz. Napakadali.
Pogi, no? Cute lang. Joke
Pogi.
lang.
6.9K followers, guys.
Gandang number yan, ah. 5,500.
Wag na nating padamihin.
Make it
Pag
happen.
nag 7K, mag-unlike ako.
Yes.
Thank you, Sir Dale. Always.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you
Oh,
very
more.
much. All right.
Alright, si Tony. Yun po.
Email ko na lang sa yung certificate.
Sure po. Sure po.
Salamat. Again, everyone, Engineer Dale.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day. Thank you, Tony, for inviting.
Welcome. Thank you
Bye-bye.
thank you sa pagpapa-unlock.
Sige po.
Bye.